Hey everyone, Mascorp here. Welcome to part 9 of the Found Money series. Today we're going to be talking about Cointiply. It's another faucet app similar to Gain. A little bit newer, so the payout's a little better currently. They have way more options, and they even have a phone app for Androids in the Google Play Store. I think y'all are really going to like it. So, with that said, let's get into it. So I guess first up, what is Cointiply? Cointiply is what you call a faucet. Now in the crypto community, there's faucets all over the internet. Basically, the representation of dripping cryptocurrency. There's just ads you can look at or just random stuff you can do to earn that cryptocurrency. Maximize your earnings a little bit. That's exactly what Cointiply is. That's what Gain is. That's what a lot of websites are technically. You could kind of call them faucets, like Inbox Dollars. That's technically a faucet, but they deal with cash, not crypto. So doing both cash and crypto. So right now, today, this review will be about crypto. And I hope you guys really enjoy Cointiply. So here's Cointiply on the website, the browser. Honestly, I've been kind of sticking to the phone app just because it's a little easier to manage in my spare time. Can just walk around with the phone anywhere. Currently, I've been just playing games on this site for the last 2 days. And right now, as you can see up here in the top right hand corner, I've earned 136,000 coins, equaling $13.60, 0.002 in Bitcoin. So we got quite a bit of Satoshis for 2 days worth of just playing phone games. There's all kinds of cool stuff on this site though. Their dashboard is immense compared to Gain. They're always doing contests. You got the roll the faucet. This is freaking cool. Every like hour or two, you can do it. You just got to put in your CAPTCHA. Not a robot. Oh, there she goes. We won 24 coins. All right. They have down here a multiplier. So you can basically take your earned crypto and technically gamble it away if you want to take the risk. I have not done that yet because I don't gamble. Sorry. It's just not something I like to do. So, up for anybody who wants to try it though. More power to you. As you can see right here, it has a countdown clock. So at the end of that hour, I can come back in here and I can spin again. Right now there's a jackpot on for 400,641 coins. So, do the math. There's, $40 right there for you if you win. Let's see what else we got. You also got this side of it. You could watch ads, earn points. This one right here. View for 5 seconds, earn 7 coins. And it's just constantly refreshing. You can actually put your own ads on this website utilizing these coins if you want to advertise, say, your YouTube channel, or say, you have some affiliate links out there you want to shoot out to the masses. That's what a lot of these guys are doing. You can actually read in some of the descriptions, they're offering money or something like that. It's most likely an affiliate link or some kind of affiliate earnings thing from like CPA or something. So there's that one. Here's the multiplier. That's where Cointiply gets its name from. Yeah. Well, what the hell? Let's see what happens. I'm not a big fan of gambling, but why not? Okay. 140 coins. Cool. What about that one? 110. Awesome. What about you? Oh, we lost. Well, So, try one more time. Gah! This is why I don't gamble. I have no luck when it comes to gambling. Alright, how do we get out of here? Alright, let's get back to the main site. Alright. So you got that. You know, if you want to try the multiplier. Again, not really into gambling. You seen that they took my money. Give you a little bit of hope and then they just take it away. Play games. I like this one. This is my favorite one so far. So when you have the mobile app, you could go into it, download just all kinds of different games. And I don't see any of the games that I have in my mobile app in here, but basically they're just regular old phone games. You probably played some of them before, but they basically have a timer on them, and the longer you play the game, the more they cash out. Usually it's like 36 cents, 20 cents every couple of minutes, which is just insane because I haven't seen anything that was paying that fast recently. So if you like playing games on your phone, this is your moneymaker right here. Let's see here. Referred users. So they do have affiliate links on here. Yep. There goes Kelwin. Dude's a boss when it comes to freaking these websites, man. He's a monster earner. That guy. This is the guy I was telling you about on Gain that is just wiping the floor with me. You know, it's not really a contest or nothing, but dang, he is kicking my butt when it comes to Gain earnings. So I had to give him the link to this place, and I'm sure he's gonna freaking just do amazing things on this website. The guy's a machine. Let's see what else we got here. You got promo codes. Yeah. You know, just follow them on Twitter or something, or link phone number or email, and they'll send you codes every once in a while. You can get a couple coins that way. And then you got your everyday stuff over here. You know, your surveys, your offer walls, and stuff like this. You know, the stuff you've seen on Gain before. You know, it's pretty much all the same stuff. So they got that. You can watch videos. Again, they got the Hideout TV. They got some of these other ones I've never seen before. Video Fox. So this is the Playtime. Playtime is the option I find on my phone. Yeah. So you got to have the app to use that one. But like I said, it's in the it's in the Google Play Store. It's free. You can get it. Do whatever you want with it. I foresee this thing being a great money earner in the future. Now, what else does Cointiply do that Gain does not? Well, I thought this one was kind of funny if I can get to it. Let's see here. So it's got a lot of cool stuff on here. Another thing it does is this. So see this little chat room here? This is actually pretty cool. So I just chatted. And then I click this little guy right here. It says, join the rain pool. You must complete at least one offer, survey, or PTC to qualify. Chatting does not increase your share. Completing offer surveys does not help your share. Basically, if you're chatting and using this thing and you click that qualify to rain pool, every once in a while, it'll magically rain coins on you and you now have more coins. So just let me qualify. Get back up in there. So right now, current rain pool's at 1,661 coins. I just chatted in it. It just went up. So after a certain set period of time, all these coins are going to go on to everybody who qualified for the rain. So there's more coins for you right there. See if I can get into settings from here. Let's see. No. Oh. System's operational. Well, that's always a good thing. So one more thing on Cointiply before we get to the end. Currently, if you go into settings, if you get over 35,000 coins, you can do this little guy right here. Enable 5% annual interest on your coin balance over 35,000 coins. These guys, once a week, are going to pay you a percentage of the amount of coins you have, as long as you got it over 35,000 coins and you turn this option on. You do that, this thing will be a weekly earner for you. If you get 100,000 coins, now me, when I hear annual interest, I'm thinking yearly. So I'm thinking, 5% for the year, So if you had 100,000 coins on there, you'd get 5,000 coins throughout the duration of the year, paid over the time of a week per payment. But I haven't made it that far yet. I will gladly do an update video on that to verify. Currently, we're sitting at 135,000, so by the end of this week, we'll see if it's 5% a week or if it's 5% a year. And we will give y'all the heads up on that. But still, regardless of how you look at it, if you just keep cranking out these coins and you get that bad boy high enough, this thing right here is going to be your best freaking friend in the world, because it's just going to start cranking money out for you every week to the point where all you got to do is just log in and check it. Play a few games. Chat on the message boards, do the free rolls. This place is miles ahead of some of the other faucets I've seen. With that being said, let's look at your payment proof. So as you can see, it's got proof of payment. It is legit. They do delete games off their site. So if they do delete a game off the site that you're currently playing, just delete the app, because, it's no longer an earner unless you like it. By all means, keep it. But other than that, Cointiply is just amazing. I've only been on here for 2 days now, and I've already reached level 44. I'm not really impressive or not, with my ranks here, but I'm just impressed with the earnings. $13 in 2 days just sitting there playing some phone games that's money in the bank. Again, what's this channel all about? Finding money. Trying to get it to y'all. So if you want to check it out, I'll put a link down in the description. And I hope y'all have a good day. Mascorp out. Hey guys, if you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And hit that bell notification so that I can give you the latest in passive income earning. Do daily, weekly, and monthly updates on all my earnings. And if you want even more information, join our Discord with Mascorp Real Money Talk. Everyone's welcome. We highly encourage advice. We highly encourage helpful knowledge, and we're always here to learn more and help best way we possibly can. So if you could, like, share, and subscribe. Check out the links below. Y'all have a blessed day. Mascorp out.